Ali sir. Welcome to my channel Sound English Academy. Today's class very important class, that is use of all. So এই all এর পরে আমরা singular verb নিব না plural verb নিব, এটা অনেক সময় আমরা কনফিউশনে পড়ি। So let's clear all confusion today. All is or are ready. Here answer is. Okay, why? Because all is used in the sense of everything. So all it is function as a singular subject and takes singular verb. Okay, clear? Here all are or is well. Here the answer is are. Why are? Because all is used to denote the number of person or things. Okay, for that it functions as a plural subject and we should take plural verb also. Clear? And also all is well, it is sometimes right, because if we all use as a singular subject and it mentioned as a everything or thing, when it is mentioned or used as a sense of things, everything, that is all is well, it is also right sometimes. Okay, then all the money has or have been spent. Here the answer is has. Why? Here all is used all of, not all of, plus singular uncountable noun. Is all of, not all of এর পরে যদি singular uncountable noun বসে তাহলে আমরা সবসময় we should take singular, that is singular verb. Okay, here money is uncountable noun. Okay, ফলে আমরা এখানে has নিয়েছি। Clear? All of the students were or was late. Here answer is were. Why were? Because all, here all of or not all of এর পরে plural countable noun যদি হয়, কি plural countable noun যদি হয়, তাহলে all of or not all of এর পরে আমরা plural subject নিই। ওকে, এবং plural subject এবং plural verb-টা plural নিই, ফলে here answer is were. So it is today's class. So today I have a question, that is farmer's son was or were very lazy. So what would be answer? Please answer me by comments. Thank you all of you.